Hello, everyone, and welcome to this SD Times live three-part micro webinar series on navigating data challenges for SaaS companies. So among the topics we'll be discussing in this series are building solutions that meet customer data where it is, enabling access to data for responsible use, and scaling data access for integration with other tools and reporting. So joining me today to dive more deeply into this is Avadut Kulkarni. He's a product management manager at Progress DataDirect. How you doing today, Avadut?
I'm doing good. Thank you, David.
Good, good. Okay, so take it away and let's hear all about it.
So one cannot serve customers without having their data, right? PMs can start with visualizing our SaaS application in isolation, thinking, okay, we can provide all that our customers needs within my application. But soon as they get introduced to the hard reality, none of the application and application data can remain in isolation with the rest of the data in the rest of the world. So first challenge is how customers' existing data will get ingested into your application to give them the best business continuity. So data dumps, export, import is one option, but it's usually very error prone and creates more problem than it solves. So they realize that having the real-time data integration with customers' existing data is the only real solution. This solution also has its own pair of challenges. The first and most important is data is diverse. It's present in various data sources like relational, SaaS applications, REST APIs, etc. It also can be hybrid, on-premise, etc. So unless you have a standard and simple way to connecting to all these different data sources, right, providing a data integration to all these potential sources is complex and time-consuming and tedious. The second part is data security. Data security concern is a harsh reality of world today. No one wants to be in the headlines for wrong reasons, and hence the security audit teams have become more stringent about the data integration practices and technologies. So for your customers to adopt your solution, it needs to pass the enterprise level security standards. And the third, which is an obvious but often overlooked, is the reliability of the solution. Your SaaS application is dependent on the data to be ingested consistently and regularly without fail. All operations are so dependent on these integration flows that any glitches in this can throw your entire value of your customers. And along all these, you also need a solution that can be deployed on your choice of cloud infrastructure, or for many cases, it could be multiple clouds with robust high availability cluster deployments with all high availability, high scalability capabilities that you are ready to so that you are ready for your future growth. So we have thought about all these challenges and built an enterprise-ready connectivity solution just for this business use case. The Progress Hybrid Data Pipeline product provides a standard-based connectivity. Either it can be ODBC, JDBC, or OData APIs to 40 plus inbuilt data connectivity sources. It can be extended beyond that using the inbuilt low-touch REST connector SDK, as well as our third-party JDBC integrations. So your application just integrates with HTTP, and then you can maintain integration with all other sources, just like a configuration in product UI. Enterprise security audit teams, despite do not like create holes in firewall to allow external system to access the integral or internal database ports. Or they also do not like creating private tunnels using VPNs. Both these are not considered as the best security practices. Hybrid data pipeline includes the technology to securely access on-premise data without creating any security loopholes, and is approved by many reputed security audit teams and have deployed by many of our top SaaS enterprises. IT also supports integrations with external identity management systems like SSO capabilities for consistency in the user roles and authorizations and access privileges. With the sensitivity around data security, these all have become the basic norms in today's world across the industry. but these are even more strictly followed by industries like financial, government, and healthcare. The cost of building such comprehensive solution is not just immensely high, but many SaaS companies do not want these kind of huge distractions for their from their core strategy and value that they deliver to customer. So if you think you have any of these challenges, as I discussed today, please reach out to us and we will like to talk to you about understanding your challenges better.
All right. Well, thank you, Avinud, for a great presentation on how organizations can do that. Folks, I'd invite you to join us next time as we'll dive more deeply into enabling data access for responsible use. Until then, I'm Dave Rubenstein, Editor-in-Chief of SD Times. So long till next time.